Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. The watch is paired to your iPhone, charged above 20%, and updated. Open the Watch app on your iPhone to install or configure settings. This ensures the Watch app can access data like health or notifications. On the watch, locate and tap the app icon to launch. If the app supports Force Touch, press firmly for shortcuts. This saves time and sets defaults before you proceed to interactive steps. Once opened, you configure core permissions so the app functions fully. Allow health, location, notifications, or microphone where prompted. Make sure to sync preferences from the iPhone companion. This prevents missing data or duplicated alerts. Customize complications and the quick glance layout so the information you need is one tap away. Adjust units, goals, and sync intervals inside the app settings. These choices control battery use and data accuracy, so pick a balance that fits your routine. You now perform the app's primary tasks. Start timers, track workouts, send quick replies or log entries, follow on-screen prompts to confirm each action. When finished, press the digital crown to return to watch face. This preserves the app state and conserves battery. If something goes wrong, restart the watch first, then reinstall the watch app from your iPhone and verify pairing and permissions. If that fails, check for Watch OS or iOS updates and resync. These steps resolve most connectivity or data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.